This is a quick run-through on creating a 3D logo and simple 3D logo video using Microsoft 3D Builder, accompanied by Microsoft Paint 3D.
Let's open Microsoft 3D Builder. Select New Scene. Select Insert. Select Add. Choose an image to add to your scene. In our case, we have chosen the Unstoppable Union, the Empire. Thatched design, as this will give us a multitude of nooks and crannies in the final rendering.
Let's paint this baby. Choose Paint. Choose Material. Choose Material Type. We have chosen Realistic with a boost in glossiness.
Let's go for the gold. Looks amazing. You're almost there. Adjust logo height to preference. Remember, you can always come back and readjust. Save your image. You have a multitude of choices, including GLB files. We will be saving as a GLB, as they are easier to use.
Now we can open Microsoft Paint 3D and import our new 3D model.
Here we go. It's beautiful.
We're gonna turn our canvas off. This will allow for 360-degree view of the model in the final rendering. You're all done. You can select angles and frames. You can also adjust lighting. Add other 3D objects to your scene. Additional images, even text and voiceovers such as this one. Be creative and have fun. Till next time.